catch.
Get away from the chair.
Oh yeah. My bad. I like how it's got a bent stick.
Sorry.
I feel like I'm in a circus.
Are you having fun? Here.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah, thank you for swinging that at me.
Line all 4 of them at once.
Sure, why not?
That's what I did.
Oh God, I can't breathe.
Did your metal one go out?
I think it's
Don't
done.
touch it.
Don't touch it, it's like...
1200 degrees.
You sure, honey?
Oh, I'm sure.
There you go.
All you have to do is look at her finger.
Yep. Hey, where's those dogs?
No.
Honey, don't. What's wrong with you?
They don't like me, they bark.
They bark at everybody.
Yeah, this is just downright terrifying at times. Look how hot that's burning. It just moves closer to your fingers.
Yeah, and just
Here.
think. Just think,
You
Kyle.
ruined it.
Every 4th of July, people give those to their children.
I know, my mom used to give them to me. They're awesome.
Honey, what are you doing?
I'm trying to light it.
Oh my God.
Shit.
What's wrong with you?
Light it in the middle.
No, I'm not lighting it in the middle.
Fine. You won't do it, I'll do it.
You're gonna burn yourself.
No, it's fun. I've done this.
Did you give Jeffrey my warning?
Yeah. I actually forwarded the email to him so we could laugh.
Are you serious?
Yep. What the
So
hell?
hilarious, Kyle.
Oh, I don't know, maybe because it's like 5 freaking sparklers put together.
You wasting it?
I can't see how much, if there's a bug in there or not.
There feels like there's still one in here. Wait.
There's still a sparkler?
There's still sparklers.
Ow.
Oh my God, put it back.
I need a sparkler.
Here, here's one.
Thank you. That's all I need.
The metal one.
It's not metal.
Huh?
It's bamboo.
Oh, okay.
Bamboo sparkler.
It'll burn you. That's coming from our neighborhood.
There's all these down here.
Yeah, I know. There's a ton of them.
There we go.
You're gonna burn
Light it
yourself.
from the middle, and it does, wow, all sorts of cool tricks. Ow. This is dangerous. Oh, it broke off. There's a fire on your ground. I'm sorry. See, I told you it'd be way cooler to light it from the middle.
You caught the ground on fire. Congratulations.
It's good. I was done with you.
Here.
See, isn't that neat? Oh, don't step on it. It's still burning. You need to let it finish burning. Now you can step on it.
You need to let it finish burning.
You do, because there's too much fire oxidant that makes it burn.
Okay, I couldn't find the chair. Here's another sparkler, honey.
What
Group
do I
of
do with the
sparklers.
broken ones?
Oh, there's a bucket
Here's
right
a
there.
bucket right here. You lift up the lid and stick it in there.
Here's
So
some more
you only
sparklers.
use your drink to put the fire out?
It's fine.
Poor thingy's all melted on top of it.
Oh, watch out, Mama.
He's just pointing sparklers at you.
Happy birthday, America. It's my Statue of Liberty. Oh my God, it burns. Statue of Liberty.
Pretty sure she holds it up straighter, honey.
I'm pretty sure she holds it directly over her head. I don't recommend you do that.
It did it really quick.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
You're gonna burn yourself.
You're an expert with shit like this. This is sparklers.
Open the lid and stick them in the bucket.
There's more, honey. You need to be having fun with the sparklers. Where's the chair? Here's
What
another
else
bunch.
is in the box?
That's it.
This is
That's
it?
all you got
Yeah,
left
you have
in the car.
sparklers left. Double-handed. Here you go.
That's all?
We only
Yep.
spent $120,
Where's
okay?
the box?
It's gone.
Oh, I was going to use the box and light that on fire too. That's fun.
Pyromaniac.
You got me going. I was in dormant status for a while. Uh-oh.
Yeah, you didn't get that good enough.
Just need to save it.
No, you're not. You put it out.
Get a better idea. How do you break the tape?
I don't know. I can't see. It's dark out here.
Yeah, they're all taped together.
Guess what I found?
What?
A Roman candle.
Are you serious?
For me. For me.
I did.
Give me.
See? Like there's the end.
I'm gonna blow it up.
Wait. Let me feel that.
No, see the end?
Oh, it is a regular Roman candle.
Yeah.
They lit off the big one. Honey, don't stand right there. Go out there.
No, it'll shoot.
Okay, how about not holding it over my this thing here? I want to stop. Okay.
Don't shoot towards it.
Gotta get the sparkler. Oh.
Oh, poor honey.
That's okay. I probably would have backfired maybe in the base. There you go.
You mean like the one earlier on me?
Yes.
No, I had one backfire on me. It was okay. It was a dud. We should have left it alone. What is he doing?
Taking a squat.
I'm pooping.
You missed our poop earlier. I got a video of it,
I got a video of it too.
but my video is all about me when you're setting it up.
There's
I'm talking about the
Cassiopeia.
black and the colored.
Is he lighting him on fire in the ground?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a decoration. This will be fun for everyone.
I know, he's having fun. And I am recording, you know.
Yeah, so.
Come on, honey.
Going.
So pretty. The stars come out. Oh, you should have heard it earlier.
Oh
The
my
frogs
God.
were competing with the noise.
I just took recording of the noise because it was
It was
incredible.
awesome.
Like, this is gonna get ugly. Burn. Don't let. I gotta take a chance. Ow.
Did you pull the wicks out of the end of it?
Fine. I don't know what he's doing.
Are they trick sparklers, Kyle?
Did you guys give me tricks?
No!
I need a different layer. This one's so hot it's burning my fingers. Take this one. I don't have fingerprints anymore. Where'd they go?
Oh, shit.
It's gonna start going. You're next. Go. Burns.
Baby burn. Oh, God.
There we go. It's all working now.
What is that supposed